just received this package right here. This is what the front looks like. Hi guys, I'm PUTSY and welcome to another vlog. And for today's vlog, it's going to be a mixture of what I do on a Sunday, maybe also film a little bit of my Monday, which you've already seen quite a lot actually. But I just think this particular Sunday is going to be a little bit interesting because I have my piano exam today, which I'm going to do in 10 minutes. But yeah, basically this morning I took it very easy. I had my breakfast. I'm currently doing this 30-day Sydney Cummings challenge, and it makes my body, like all over my body, very sore. Even now it's still very sore. And I remembered 2 days ago that I have a piano exam today. So I did a little bit of rehearsal on Friday and my hand was just couldn't handle the soreness, so I decided to take yesterday and today's off from working out. But I'm going to go back at it, hopefully full swing tomorrow. After my breakfast, I took a shower, I get ready and try to look as presentable as I possibly could, at least look more presentable than I usually do. I wear this shirt because I need to look a little bit more professional. Now I'm just going to make my bed because I haven't made my bed today. I didn't make my bed either yesterday, and it was the first time in 4 months I didn't do that. So yesterday was just a very slow, lazy day for me. I was a little bit annoyed. I was just mentally and physically not in a really good place. But yeah, that's just a little bit overview of what I did these past 2 days. Not much, but today I'm just going to take you along to my piano exam so you can see how we took piano exam in the days of online classes. But before that, I'm going to make my bed. Now that there's done, I feel a lot better, ready to take on the exam. Everything that I need, I think, is already in my piano. I need to have my books, a paper with my name on it, with the song that I'm going to play. I'm going to take my piano exam for grade 10. I'm only on my 2nd year, but the exam consists of me playing 2 songs that I chose myself, and then there are a couple other tests: keyboard harmony, sight playing, melody hearing, and harmony hearing, I think. So there's 6 pros and cons of online piano exam. I don't have to face the people who judge my exam. I just have to face my camera. I just have to play the questions, record them, and upload them on YouTube Unlisted, and then give the links to my piano school. But it's still a little bit nerve-wracking. If I make a mistake in the middle, I can do it all over again and refilm the whole thing. But that's also the cons, because if I make mistake in the middle, like let's say in my hearing parts, I need to film the whole thing all over again because I couldn't have any pause or edit the video whatsoever. So whatever the result of the video is, that's what I need to send. But so there's pros and cons, but I think a lot more pros than the cons because I can get it as perfect as I could. It's my 2nd online piano exam, so I know how it's going to be. So yeah, let's have our piano exam. So I have finished with my piano exam and I'm just trying to upload them to YouTube. So sorry for the noise, that's noise from my MacBook. I have to say there was a lot of inconvenience and disturbance at the start, so it kind of messed up with my groove and my state of mind. I wasn't calm at all. I was a little bit just, I don't know, just all over the place, and it was so hard trying to get it right. And I literally need like 2 hours to record 10 minutes, 15 minutes exam. I kept messing up the first song, and then I messed up the second song, and then I messed up like clicking the wrong video link. It was just so messy, but I'm glad it's done now. It's not perfect, but at least I get it right. Hopefully it will still get a good score. I need to eat because I'm famished, and after that I don't know what I'm going to do this afternoon, but maybe I think I'm going to go to a grocery store because I haven't done it in a while because of my neck and shoulder pain. For the past 3 weeks I didn't go anywhere, like at all. I mean, not that I go outside much anyway this past year but the past 3 weeks I really didn't go anywhere because I couldn't drive. Since now I'm feeling a lot better, I think that's what I'm going to do today. Other than that, just gonna take it easy for today because it's Sunday and chill.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moon, like that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time.
Okay, so it's already Monday. I didn't do much yesterday. I went grocery shopping. I did picked up some vegetables, some fruits like strawberries, kiwis, bananas. That's like a must. I also bought some almond milk, cheese, and pasta. And then there's a bookstore near the grocery store, and this is the book that I picked up, where the crawdads, is that how you pronounce it, crawdads sing. It's not a new book. I think it was released in I don't know when it was released. When I read the review on Goodreads, it's either 5-star or 1 or 2 stars, but a lot more people actually love this. Yesterday when I saw this, it was actually on sale, so I decided to just picked it up because I always wanted one anyway, and I'm so excited to read this after I finished up the book that I'm currently reading. And please let me know if you love this book. What books will you recommend for me? I think this is like a combination of mystery and I don't know what else. Just like you saw in my previous vlog, here I am going to dry my hair again and maybe style it a little bit, but you know what, I won't style it this time. I'm just going to braid them. But before that, I received another package. I feel like every single vlog now is just me sharing you what I bought and do some hauls, but I just received this package right here. It was supposed to come in alongside the cardigan, but for some reason the reseller sent them separately. This is the final, and funny thing is I want to collect Taylor Swift finals, but I don't even have a record player yet, so I'm just collecting the final first. So this is the final that I picked up. I picked up this Meet Me Behind the Mall version. I was debating over all of them. I wanted every single one of them, especially the dark green or violet or blush pink vinyl, but since I can only buy one, I decided to pick this one because it's actually one of my favorite pictures of her. I don't even remember the color of this version that I picked up, so let's see.
up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you.
This is what the front looks like, and this is the back of it. If you are a fan of her or just have heard this album, please let me know which song is your favorite. I love every single one of them because I'm a huge Swiftie. I think if I really need to choose my top 3, it will be... Wait, no, not top 3. I'm going for top 5 then. It's so hard to pick just 3. This is Me Trying, August obviously, Illicit Affairs, The Lakes, and either My Tears Ricochet or 7. But I love every single one of them. I got this picture. Let's see. Oh, I love the color. I really love this picture of her too. This is what this version looks like, and I'm sorry for the glare of the lamp there. It's just regular gray. I mean, it's not my favorite color of the bunch, but I love gray, so I don't mind at all.
All the love I made and lost before we met seems so far gone. I wish it wouldn't take so long, but better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did for you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Oh, it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never. Somehow it keeps getting better.
Take a sip, you gon' trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea in the morning. Coat your throat like hot honey. You gon' need water, then want some more of me. In your head, you gon' slip, 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 slip. I love on you, and then I leave you lonely. You want to get to know me. I'll agree in exchange for your soul, please, baby. You taste like maybe, baby. I need guarantee.
So it's 9:46 now. I have washed my face, brushed my teeth, and now I'm going to put on some skincare. And I'm just going to quickly show you my current favorite skincare. I mean, you won't be asking for skincare advice from me, I feel like, because my skin obviously isn't the best. But if you have very sensitive acne prone skin, I think you would like these products. It's very affordable but works pretty well with my skin. I love using the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. Also the Ordinary Alpha-Arbutin 2% plus hyaluronic acid. I usually apply the Alpha-Arbutin first, wait for about 3-5 minutes, and then apply the niacinamide. Sometimes I apply the niacinamide and then apply this azelaic acid suspension. I have an AC on my room, so sometimes my face can get a little bit dry even though I have a very oily skin. If I'm feeling a little bit dry, I will apply the Ordinary Rosehip Seed Oil or the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This one right here. I feel like they give me such a great amount of hydration and moisturization without making my skin break out or feel itchy. Or Forte Beauty Good Mood Gel Moisturizer. This is such a great moisturizer and very affordable. Doesn't feel heavy and sink into my skin immediately. I also use this eye cream. It's from Maison. Snail Repair Eye Cream. Got this from my sister, but I think that's a Korean brand. I think, I could be wrong. And for my lips, I always use this Vaseline Lip Therapy in Cocoa Butter.
Sit me down, shut me up. Looks like you need a refill in your cup. Sip it slow, slow your roll. Your eyes, they tickle the pits of my soul. You made me come, made me go. Back if over the rose.
So now I'm ready for bed, but not ready. I'm going to do some of my night routine before my bed, and I'm just going to quickly show you what I got this past weekend. God, I actually made a lot of purchases. I'm trying to save up a lot of my money because I'm currently saving up for an iPad, but these past few weeks have not been very good for my bank account. But I've been wanting to buy this for a while now. I used to have an old LED TV here in my bedroom, and I couldn't watch Netflix, YouTube. I could only watch some TV, and I rarely watch TV. That pretty much made my TV useless. I didn't ever even turn them on, so I always wanted to upgrade my TV to a smart one. So I actually bought a TV. Just arrived at 32-inch because I don't have much space here in my room. So this is my new TV. This is from Toshiba. It's not a smart TV, but it is an Android TV. Even though I don't have Android, some people said that the Android TV is a little bit better than smart TV. I don't know if that's true, but that's what some people told me, so I decided to get this one. And I'm currently open up my Spotify, listening to some Taylor Swift. This is the Evermore album. And I think now I'm just going to my bed here. I'm going to do some journal and do my night reading while I listen to some music. And this is my current read. It's The Crescent City by Sarah J. Maas, The House of Earth and Blood. I've only 5 chapters in. The storyline is starting to pick up. The first few chapters, it's like very promising, but very confusing because it is a fantasy book. There are a lot of words and description of the world, the people, the character in the book that I just didn't get. It's not just dealing with human, and I didn't know a lot of them, so it's a little bit confusing for me. But I feel like now I'm starting to get in the groove of the book, and I'm hoping I could finish this in February, because last month I didn't met my goals to finish the City of Girls book in a month. So I hope this month I can actually finish it on time, because I already have 2 books to read after this one. I'm still in the mood for some Bridgerton. I'm a little bit late to the Bridgerton hype. I finished it last week and I'm still craving for it, so I'm currently rewatching it. Already at episode 4 again now. After watching some Bridgerton, I'm just going to sleep. So I think I'm just going to finish this vlog here. Question of the day: what's your current favorite series on Netflix? Leave me some recommendations, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, that will mean so much to me. And thank you so much for watching. I hope I can see you again in my next video. Bye.